I'm here with my new artist, Lil Sherbet. I was shopping for some ice cream, and he came up to me and spit a hot 16. Now, I'ma sign him instantly. Told you I was gonna make it. Oh yeah, and by the way,
Fuego, you a joke, boy, looking like a broke boy. I been down in Cali with my niggas giving toast, boy. I been on a rise, still be with my guys. Made it this far cause I refuse to compromise. Legend in the making, Fuego still be hating. Play me once before, but now be like Jamaican.
Yo, why'd you turn it off?
Cause I don't want to hear this clown no more. He's really calling me a broke boy when he didn't have $50 for a beat.
$50?
Oh no, not you too.
What?
You think $50 was too much?
Psh, I charge $100 a beat. Stop playing.
Oh man, for a second there I was tripping. Like, damn, maybe I should have let him buy one for $5.
He tried to buy a beat for $5, bro?
Yeah, man, like what the right?
Yeah, I would have walked away too. He's disrespectful. Is that why he's dissing you now? All because of a $50 beat?
Pretty much. Maybe I should have worked with him.
Nah. As producers, we got to stand up for ourselves in this business. Your price is your price, and he should respect that. If not, him.
Yeah, you're right. But what can I do now that he's trying to blackball me?
Yo, sometimes you gotta fight fire with fire.
What? Like make a diss back to that?
Yeah, bro.
Psh, I'm a producer, not a rapper. I can't compete with that. He had money, girls, fast cars, and celebrities in his video. I got a baby on the way. I can't be irresponsible with my money right now.
Who said you have to do what he did? Just be yourself.
What, a broke boy with a baby on the way?
No, fool. Embrace the struggle. It's more relatable to people. Most people are broke. Maybe we could tip that to our benefit.
Maybe. But I'm not a big artist yet. You think people will even care if I do it?
Bro, we not about to sit back and not put up a fight. Besides, he made you famous. Whether you like it or not, you just have to change the narrative.
That's true. People already started giving everyone I know a hard time. They got Kush already. It's only a matter of time before they get you too.
What do you mean?
ouch! Fuego.
Damn, you okay, bro?
Yeah, I think so. What just happened?
Sherbet's followers. If they record a video of them doing shit like this to us, he makes them famous for it. They threw a rock through the window and took off.
Damn, bro, how'd they know you was here?
They don't. I think they came after you. They know we work together.
Now we definitely have to do this.
Yeah.
Or this won't stop.
Yeah. There's no turning back now.